every great change starts like falling dominoes. So in continuation with the last video, Mr. Whitehead, in his experiment, he made 8 dominoes, each 50% larger than the previous one, and he started dominoes fall. Well, this fall of the domino, unlike a normal ordinary fall, will be a linear progression. But in Whitehead experiment, he created a progressive geometric progression, because his 57th domino would reach up to the moon. Well, what is a geometric progression? Well, a geometric progression is just like a very long train which is very too slow to be noticed in the beginning until it becomes very large and very fast to be stopped. So when the quote is said, our ambition should be, our dream should be reach for the stars. We should aim to reach for the stars and moon. In Whitehead experiment, his 57th domino, if he will follow the geometric progression, his 57th domino will reach for the moon. So the whole point behind it, every great change starts like falling dominoes. Keep subscribing, kids.